Hey guys. So this is going to be a lesson about fixing issues with the lower back and the lower vertebrae. One of my friends was struggling with some pain in the area, so I want to give him this. It's really helpful for getting through those issues quickly and building flexibility and strength in the lower vertebrae area. There's a breathing technique, which is 6 counts in, hold for 3, 6 counts out, hold for 3. So inhale for 6 counts, hold for 3 counts, exhale 6 counts, and hold for 3 counts. So we're going to start by sitting on our heels. We want our the ball joint in the pelvis right about lined up with our knees. And then I'm really comfortable with this hand position, just extended. It allows me to access kind of like the whole back and not have the hands in the way. So what I'm doing now is just an example of like the flexation that we're going to be doing. Forward, back. As you move forward, we're going to breathe in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. So that's it in a nutshell. I recommend doing so in for 6, hold for 3, out for 6, hold for 3. That's 1 count. Do 3 sets of 9 of those. Um, don't overflex or overstress. Just go in. Let the movement and the breath take you where you need to. This isn't about going there and pulling as hard as you can. This is going there about going through a rhythmic motion with your breathing and allowing your body to just realign and swing into place. If you have any questions or requests for body areas to target, let me know. I have a myriad of techniques, and I'd love to get them out to you. Om.